Hello guys, we're going to be playing a game called a Prince of Persia. That's what I've heard that this game is. So we're going to try our best to try not to die. Yay! This is what it is in level 3. Now we're on to level 3, which is great. Oh wow, we've already beaten it. Okay, so guys, if you don't know what the frick this game is about, well, basically this game is a game where you have to, well, it's called Prince of Persia Escape. So basically you get to have outfits for your character and all that stuff, and, well, yeah, so let's begin on to level 3. Okay, so I'm guessing I have to, oh, okay. Did I mess that up? Yep, I did. What did I do wrong? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh my god, okay, What is happening? I don't understand. Yay. I'm doomed. What the frick? Ugh. Oh no. Oh no, save me. Ah, oh god. I am doomed. How in the heck am I surviving this? Wow. That was hard. Okay, wow. Wasted. Wasted is my middle name. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is what the game is. The Prince of Persia Escape, level 4. Alright, here we go. And Jake, why are you doing in a very weird pose? Okay. I'm not gonna worry about it, okay? And why is the game lagging? And I'm dead too, which is great. I love being dead. Alright, here we go. I don't think I appreciate this game. I don't think I appreciate what. Okay, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore, and I'm already dead again, which is great. Oh my god! Ding ding dong dong gosh, god dang time on this mobile game. Let's try that one more time. If I fail it, it's not my fault. Oh my god! I actually made that. That's what you guys call skill to pay the bills. And oh my god, how in the frick am I surviving through this? Level 5. What a great time to end the video. Oh wait, I'm just kidding. It's not. Okay, level 5. Let's see what the next one has to offer. Alright, hopefully it's not so bad. Oh god. What? I have to go up here. Whatever the f... Oh my god. Oh god. What? Why did I touch that? Oh! Level 6. For some reason I touched the spike and it didn't even kill me at all. Did I just see a girl getting kidnapped on sight? That's freaking weird. Alright, here we go. Let's play more. I don't know what level this is. Level 6? I don't know. Oh god. Here we go. Jump. Oh God. Oh God, and I'm already dead. Wow. What? This doesn't make any sort of. You have to hold the flipping thing. This is kind of confusing. I don't understand these controls. Help me. Are you? You've got to be kidding me, right? You have got to be kidding me, right? There's no way I freaking I'm level 6, and I'm already dying. I'm already dying. That's a word. That's a sentence. I don't care. There you go. See? Yay, parkour. Parkour. Parkour again. And you're going to die. Which is something I guess makes sense because you suck. And I'm already dead. Wow! I'm already dead again. And you're drinking a potion which makes no sense right there, but you know me, you know the ways of the ninja. Okay, I don't even know the ways of the ninja at all because I am trying to kill myself, which makes no terribly sense. Why am I doing that? This game makes no sense to me. Okay. Yep, I'm level 6, I'm already dying from these stupid enemies. Or spikes. Well, that's why they call me Dark Spike. Oh my god. That's not why they call me Dark Spike at all, guys. Don't listen to other Zack. He may know the ways, but he doesn't know the frick. The only reason why I named myself Dark Spike was because I wanted to name myself a great nickname, like a new nickname as well as my butt cheeks. And wow, boot cheeks, what type of word is that? Okay, level 7 already. Great. What a great time to end this video. Hopefully you guys have an amazing day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button, subscribe, and post notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.